Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes with your smartphone. Now this applies to any phone, including Samsung Galaxies, Android phones, iOS devices such as the iPhone. Alright, the first thing you need, guys, in the case that you want to scan a QR code, or just in case you do not know what a QR code is, check this out. So this is what a QR code looks like. You could actually scan this one, and of course this link will actually lead you to my website, and that website is blogtechtips.com. Alright, so this is what a QR code looks like. Now in case you get these on products you have purchased, special cards, or on the internet, or maybe you receive one as a picture or wherever, you can actually scan these codes and extract the information that's stored within it. Now this special pattern actually has information. Usually these are web links. And what you can do, instead of having a person write down a very long URL or a specific URL, you can actually have them or give them this QR code. Now the computer or the Android device can actually scan and decipher the information that's given here. So I'm going to show you how to extract this information from anywhere you might receive a QR code. Now the first things that you'll need when you have a QR code such as that one is what we call a QR code scanner. And one of the best ones on the I've found is the one that's called the QR and barcode scanner. And the QR and barcode scanner, you can pick this up, so just make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you're connected to the internet, simply go into the Google Play Store. You should also be able to find this in other Play Stores as well. And what you're going to do is going to search. You're going to search for QR and Barcode Reader and just search. And once you search, guys, it's this one here that says, and it's a free version. And it says here it's called QR and barcode scanner. Just go ahead and tap. I have already installed mine, but you can just go ahead and install. Once you install, guys, just go ahead and launch. And of course it will come up just like this. Now if you have a QR code, you can actually scan and it will automatically find what our CD web link that's given. Now before I actually show you that, you can actually go into settings and customize what's happening. So you can go into settings, and of course you could tell it to automatically open web links, but you don't have to actually do that. I recommend that you wait. You actually just scan and then click on the link. So for example here, I'll show you a quick QR code that I have stored. And the particular QR code I have is on my smartwatch. It's not actually on printed out. It could be printed out, but I'll just show you. This is the QR code I have, and just notice what happens as soon as I scan. Notice as soon as I just need to wake up the device, and once it's in the area, you'll notice it will scan, and it's showing you that there was actually a link in the QR code, and it gives it right here. It's a Google Drive link, and it shows you the exact part. You could just click on it to open, and it will go straight to the link. Depending on the scanner, it might just open up if I set the settings, and it will go directly to the web link. Alright, so you do get the idea. So that's how you actually open or scan QR codes. And additionally, you can actually use this scanner to actually do barcodes as well, but which are slightly similar. Alright guys, so this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to actually use how to read QR codes with your Android phone. Alright, it's Ricardo saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.